Good morning, Phillies. It is a new day. It is the 18th of October, a Tuesday, and it is a cold October. So I have my Boxycharm box, and let's see what we got here. Oh, this is cool. Everyone will be under your spell for the month of October. I think that's pretty freaking awesome, especially since it's spooky season. Let's see, we have 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 different products here. And let us see. Okay, first thing that we have here is the Stuck on You Base Eye Primer. It's nice and sealed for your safety, which is pretty awesome. The style of it almost reminds me of Ico, doesn't it? If I can open this. This is so ghetto. Why am I struggling so bad? Okay. So the applicator is very similar to Urban Decay. It smells like Urban Decay. Alright. Since I have makeups on, I'm going to put it on the back of our hand. It's almost like it's really weird, like obviously it's a creamy consistency, yes, but you can tell there's like an oil, there's something in this that, see, told you. Pomegranate seed and grapeseed oil to keep lids smooth and moisturized. And it's slightly tinted, so of course you can see it's almost like a concealer, fleshy color, so that way I'm assuming to make colors like pop out. Yeah, see, pigment to really pop out for the eyeshadow. It's not sticky after it's set, but you can tell like it is very, very smooth. It's almost like I don't know, like eye care, eye cream with primer, if that makes sense. So I'll take it. 18 bucks, I'll take it. That's pretty freaking awesome. Next up here we have the Natasha Denona Cupid Cheek Duo. We've received this in our box before, and so I'm not gonna finger it, but if you remember, it is this, how would I describe it? This rosy red with a glow. Okay, it is nice and creamy, it's very pretty, and then this is a powder highlight. I'm gonna put this in a giveaway, folks. You know how I feel about Natasha Denona. I love Natasha Denona. I will hoard the hell out of Natasha Denona. So we're gonna throw this in my box, my box of goodies, and we're gonna pick at random what we're gonna give away for this month. Okay, and if we need to know, it is $42. Here we have the half-caked airbrushed complexion duo, flawless base at your fingertips. It's a foundation brush, or it's a brush. It's $25. If y'all watched my last video, I had to create this look, especially my eye look, with my fingers. So, oh, that is pretty though. It's very Too Faced-esque. So I really like it. This is really, really pretty. The end of it, there was a brush that Urban Decay made, and it was a contour brush, and the one end is rounded like this. Of course, there's a net on top of it, but it was round, and then the other side was a fan brush. This feels amazing. Look at how dense this brush is, and it is super soft. Apply liquid, cream, powder products, concealer brush. This, oh my god, it just says complexion. Wait, it says 2 brushes. Oh my god, there's 2 brushes. Okay, complexion brush. And concealer brush. I'm all about my brushes, man. I love my brushes. So That's the concealer brush. It's comparable to the IT Cosmetics airbrush concealer brush, but with how that one is round, you can kind of see where the brush kind of goes up. There's the intention where it fluffs out. You see that? Oh, that's so soft too. I get super stoked whenever I receive good tools like that. So I cannot wait to utilize that. Okay, so that was one, that was two. We got the Cupid. What do we have here? This is Wander Beauty Double Date Eyeshadow Duo, $26 in Smitten and Swoon. So, of course, it's sealed for your protection again. All right, so let's open her up. I know I've tried Wander Beauty blush. Have I tried their eyeshadows? I'm curious. This is the Double Date. Oh, one's a cream and one's like a powder topper. These are really pretty, and it has a little mirror on the bottom of it. So there's the mirror, and this is like a copper topper. And then you have the powder topper. I'm gonna stick my finger in it. So since we have the eyeshadow primer here, it's very pretty, and it goes on matte. Well, it's a shimmer, but it kind of goes on matte, if that makes sense. Ay vey. All right, and then we're gonna take the topper, obviously, like I said, which is a powder. We're gonna go in across. So in that way, you can see what it looks like by itself and on top with the topper. I don't know if you can tell the difference, but I think it complements it, especially if you're layering. So this is very, very pretty. I'm gonna put it back in the box so in that way. $26, it's so pretty. A wash of color in the lids and a satin shimmer. That's what the word is, satin, not matte. I knew what I needed to describe it. And last but not least, it's the St. Lux setting spray, lightweight microfine setting mist, retains moisture and sets your makeup with a glowy finish. $25. Okay, so that's what that looks like. Now I don't have any, I mean, aside from my eyes and stuff, maybe I can set that, but it smells like Parrot Bay. Or what's that other one? I'm having a brain fart. There's Parrot Bay and then the other coconut rum. You know what I'm talking about. So let's set the eyes, a little bit of the cheeks. It's very nice. I don't know if I see like a glowy because, you know, I mean, I just spritz my face. Of course it's gonna look glowy, but you know. I think my skin looks juicy in like a good way. A good way. We'll call it a good way. So those are my products for the month of October. Definitely stay tuned for a mini giveaway for the month of October. Trick or treat.